Hi everyone, this is Carlo and me, and welcome to another video. I'm here with Quinoa, and Quinoa is the 15-inch unitoys husky that I just collected. And together with her, I got a little wolf that actually goes well with this guy. This is a little unitoys wolf that I could collect on the same Christmas market where I found Riven. I got this one in the previous year, I think. But this seller on eBay had this lying down wolf that goes actually with this one, so I ordered those ones together and I would like to see what's in there, so let's have a look. I was really pleased with my two orders, my husky and my little lying down wolf, on this seller, because he really has good prices. Actually his plush are like almost cheap, so that is why I could actually afford them. Look at this. Oh, little belly. The previous video I made with the husky was a bit badly filmed because the sun was blinding me most of the time. It's really hot and it's still shining so hard right now. So yeah. Let's make use of the good weather to make some nice outside unboxing videos, shouldn't we? Look at this. His tail. So here he is. So he has kind of a really grey fur. I noticed that already. Oh, it's damn cute. With nice little black ears. Let's have a look at the little belly. They're just so soft and they have pretty faces. Apparently, with this seller, this lying plush wolf is kind of popular. And I was thinking of naming her Ursa, after Ozai's wife from Avatar, The Last Airbender. So, Ozai, where are you? Oh, here he is. See, you want to see them together. So actually they don't really look alike so much. Kind of, yes they do. Maybe a bit. But as you can see, Ursa's fur is more like grey. And this, well, Ozai's fur has a dark shade. And he has nice, well, I really can't call it airbrushing, but he has nice dark and brown shades and a tan body. So, and he's really like sitting up. I've had this little name tag made for him. So yeah. So Ursa is about 12-inch and she's really good looking. This is how her legs are posed. And she has slender legs with nice tan marking on her nose. She's damn pretty. I really recommend her. See, she's nice. Also, she has some kind of brown. See? That's really special. She has brown shades in her. Actually, the top of her fur is more like grey. That is really special. She's really soft. I'm glad she's here. I was waiting for her already. So, this is the back of her ears. So she really does look nice. I'll get her a nice collar to put on her. So yeah, I guess that's gonna be it. Let's get out of the sun, it's too hot. So yeah, here we have Ozai and Ursa together. And well, they are really good looking, as they are kind of the same assortment, I'm gonna say. Really pleased with these two. Actually, I really got them together. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye. And here we have the address and the coordinates of the eBay seller where those adorable plush come from. So if somebody is interested, you can always have a look at his online shop. Really nice seller. And I'll put a link in the comments below and in the description, so you can just have a direct link to his shop.